What up, bays and besties? Hey, it's your favorite internet bae, Intuitive Tiff. We're back again with another message, my friends. This time, we're going to be having you pick the person on your mind, okay? This person I want you to think about someone who's been a little distant lately. Think about somebody who may be going through something and you just want to send them your positive thoughts and help them get through whatever they're going through, okay? So sometimes life just happens to our friends and family, and we don't know what they're going through because sometimes people don't share with us their dark times. So get that person in your mind, and we're gonna see what's going on in the most respectful way, and we're gonna send them our love so that they can get through what they're going through and get back to um, community and connection with you. Mm. Okay, so somebody is dealing with some regret. This lets me know that somebody is stuck in the past, afraid, experiencing some type of imbalance, and this could have been happening for a while. Yeah, this they could be going through this. They could have been going through this for almost a year now. This could have happened last fall, last winter. Um, this could be because they spoke up or expressed their truth in some way. I'm getting somebody could have like come out and the love that they once felt from those closest to them was completely stripped away. Like this compassion card is in reverse and the two people on it are stone. So this is like the love of a parent that just dries up when you tell them something devastating. Or like when you come out as your truest form and everybody laughs, or whoever you're thinking about, they have gone through a stripping away of their flesh in a sense to get down to who they are at their core. It seems like they've gone through a dark night and they tried so long to have control over their life and over how people saw them until, yeah, until they couldn't hide it anymore. Their ego is what's keeping them from you because they don't want you to see them this way. They don't want you to see the real them. They want you to see their fun, outgoing, party going self. They loosey goosey all over the place. Like just they don't want you to see the seriousness, the bravery that they've had to have during this storm in their life. No, they okay. Um, what is this? What is this person feeling now? How would they like to show up? They're feeling distant. They're taking time out from people, but they are looking back to see that, yeah, reunion. They want to come back into connection with those people that they've walked away from. They're holding lightly, though. These two people are holding on by the pinky. So it's not a full, they don't want to fully come back. It's an expectation. Yeah. They want reunion, but they don't want unity. They want to be able to come back and say, hey, I'm going to tell you what they want to say, but they want to be able to come back and speak their piece, but they're still drowning in their emotions and they don't know how to. I don't think they know how to express it to you because of who you have known them to be. You don't know who, yeah. They have a newfound freedom, and the limitations and restrictions that were placed upon them in the past make it really difficult for them to open up to those people who knew them before because they're so much different now. And they haven't released that. They haven't surrendered that part. That's why they're distant. They don't know how to bridge the gap between their past life and who they are now, but they miss the people in their life, and or they miss you, and they just don't know how to. They don't want to be treated like you've seen a ghost, like they're a fragment or a piece of who they used to be. They're still who they used to be, but evolved. They've outgrown something. Being around you hurt them in some way. Yeah. They need balance. They need positivity and light. And they miss you, but it's heavy for them. It's very heavy. Very heavy. I feel it all in my back. Like, thinking about talking to you makes their legs shake. But they miss you a lot, and they wonder if you miss them too. But their heart is just too heavy. They want you to be more selfish and stop thinking about what they're going through in them, because there's fear and regret and things that they have to overcome. Your family won't like me. I'm telling you, it's something to do with this family and the ego here. They're so afraid to show up the way that they're most comfortable. Yeah, I'm a very jealous person. You're right. They're afraid to show up fully. And right now, they just, yeah, they don't want to be intimate. They need more time. Absolutely. I knew that was coming out. But they don't want you to wait for them. I know this is heavy. This would be a situation that I would give to the divine and just know that they're thinking of you as well, and let this situation play out a little longer. Give it a little more time, okay? So don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. So the next time I catch you on time. I love you. Be easy.